Ethereum 2 is kind of an important invention in blockchains, being able to shard transactions, and that's going to kind of provide scalability for the network. I think one of the things that is misunderstood about blockchains in generally is that their physics. There's like kind of limitations to their throughput that are kind of like insurmountable, and so the Nakamoto consensus that we're coming up with and implementing is one that will allow scalability of transactions without like kind of sacrificing security.
I'm pretty excited about it actually. The spec just froze last week for phase 0, so all the teams are converging together on their implementations. We're also reaching this point where we've passed all the conformance testing. We have all the same processes, and we're ready to start working on Interop and getting things just wired together so we can have this, multi-client universe or multi-client test network.
The challenge is to start slow and have a well-defined spec. I think in the beginning there's a lot of things that everyone wants to do, right? Everyone wants to send blog, everyone wants to send attestation, but I felt it might be better to start slow, just to send a hello message and then reply a hello back, just to have that confidence that we can actually speak the same language. And after that, it shouldn't be super hard to get the block that the client wants. So
it's been pretty exciting to see members of the community participating in the test network. We've had hundreds of people try it out simultaneously. We've restarted it a couple times, got in stuck conditions, but it's been a great experience so far. And this test network's been targeting, I think, 0.6 of the spec, so we're really looking forward to updating to 0.8, which is the frozen version, and relaunching the testnet with something closer to what goes to mainnet.
So I've been working on getting Prysm and Artemis to talk this past week. We're trying to do that over something called the Hobbits wire protocol. It's just a lightweight wire protocol, just a simple way for two clients to talk to one another. And we recently, I think just yesterday, got Prysm and Artemis to say hello.
Prismatic and Artemis now are talking to each other, which is really cool over Hobbits. Shows how simple and robust that is. It happened. Yeah, that's the first cross client comms in ETH2 to happen. Happened faster than with Gossip Sub, simply because the implementations were just so large and difficult to implement. Whereas now with Hobbits, it was we didn't have to write a whole lot of code to actually get some production value out of it. It's exciting to see because honestly the only thing left for next steps is just getting the sync modules between the two clients working so we can actually sync blocks across them.
So the rest of the year is just piecing these things together, getting clients talking, working out the bugs, and going through security audits most of all, and doing a little bit of improvements on some of the workflow for validators, monitoring and things like that, making it really easy for people to be in on day 0.